Today, I'm going to show you the coolest science gadgets you need to see. From physics to chemistry to just plain cool visual effects, these gadgets are sure to impress. Alright, first up we have the balance plane. This thing looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. You see this tiny little screw right here? That's what this entire plane balances on. It seems impossible, but trust me, it works. Now you might be thinking, okay, it balances, but what's so cool about that? Well, get this, if you give it a gentle push, it doesn't just fall off the stand. Nope, it starts spinning. And not just a little spin, we're talking a full 360 degrees around the stand. It's like it's defying gravity right before your eyes. The shape of the plane, along with air resistance and just a touch of friction, keeps it in motion. Next up, we have something that's going to make all you electricity lovers out there jump for joy. This, my friends, is a Bluetooth music Tesla coil. Yes, it's a Tesla coil that plays music, but it's not just about the visual spectacle. This Tesla coil can also light up gaseous tubes. It's a great way to introduce kids to the concepts of electricity, magnetism, and wireless transmission, all while keeping them thoroughly entertained. Who wouldn't want to learn about science when it involves shooting lightning bolts and jamming out to some tunes? Get ready to be hypnotized, because this next gadget is seriously cool. This is dancing ferrofluid, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Ferrofluid that dances. Now for those of you who don't know, ferrofluid is this amazing liquid that reacts to magnetic fields. So, what happens when you combine this bizarre liquid with some music? Pure magic, that's what. Place this bad boy next to a speaker, crank up the volume, and watch as the ferrofluid comes to life. It dances and grooves to the rhythm, creating these intricate and mesmerizing patterns that will leave you speechless. Watching the ferrofluid dance while listening to music can be incredibly therapeutic. Seriously, if you're looking for a unique and captivating gadget that doubles as a stress reliever, look no further than the dancing ferrofluid. Calling all coffee lovers, this next gadget was made for you. This is a low-temperature Stirling engine, and it's about to revolutionize your morning routine. Imagine this. You pour yourself a steaming cup of coffee, place this engine on top of your mug, and watch as it comes to life, powered by the heat of your coffee. As the engine runs, it actually cools down your coffee to the perfect drinking temperature. Once the engine slows down, you know your coffee is ready to enjoy. But wait, there's more. This engine doesn't just run on hot coffee. It can also run on ice water, and in fact it runs even faster due to the larger temperature difference. It's a testament to the power of thermodynamics and a really cool way to demonstrate the concept of heat transfer. Get ready to unlock the secrets of gravity and friction with this next gadget, Euler's disc. Inspired by the famous Euler's formula, this kinetic toy is a mesmerizing blend of science and art. It consists of a heavy disc that spins on a mirrored base, creating a hypnotic visual display. As the disc spins, it gradually loses energy due to friction, causing it to slow down and eventually come to a stop. But here's where things get really interesting. As the disc slows down, the spinning speed actually increases, and the sound it produces changes pitch dramatically. Last but not least, we have a true classic, Newton's cradle. This iconic gadget has been a staple in science classrooms and on executive desks for decades, and for good reason. It's a simple yet elegant demonstration of some of the most fundamental laws of physics. For those unfamiliar, Newton's cradle consists of a series of metal balls suspended from a frame. When you lift and release one of the end balls, it collides with the others, transferring energy down the line and causing the ball at the opposite end to swing out. It's a mesmerizing display of energy transfer and conservation of momentum. You can experiment with dropping multiple balls at once, creating dance of swinging spheres. It's a timeless classic that's as educational as it is entertaining, making it the perfect gadget for kids and adults alike. Well, there you have it, folks. Our 6 science gadgets that are guaranteed to blow your mind. I highly recommend checking out these awesome gadgets. Links can be found in the video description. These gadgets are a testament to the fact that science can be both educational and incredibly fun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome science content. See you next time.